So ayan guys, continuation, no? 7:56 April 30. Continue tayo. So last game natin is the Avatar the game. So try naman natin tong isang to. Ano to? Versus para siyang Capcom, parang Marvel versus Capcom. Let's try that one, guys. No data save found, of course. We did, yes. So, sabi ko parang Capcom. So, inasabi ko kanina para siyang Marvel versus Capcom. So, gawa nga ni Capcom pala talaga, ano? Ano to? So, first time kong laruin to. Kahit sa PS3, parang wala ata yun sa PS3. Ito sa PS3, sa Marvel, ano to, Capcom to. Hindi ako marunong, guys. Hindi ako marunong. So, I'm not into this kind of game na. Sabi nga nila. I do not know what to do. And I do not know, and I do not have any idea on how to play this game. So yun guys, hindi ko alam kung anong controls ito, kung may super attack ba siya or special skills, I don't know guys. Oh, maganda pala. What's that? Ano yun? Naparte ko lang ng pag gano'n. So okay na yan. So exit. So para makarami tayo, ayan, 3 minutes pa lang. Try tayo na iba pang games. Mabilis naman yung ating PS3, wala siyang lag, wala siyang kuha ng mga kaartihan. So ito yung kanina guys. So let's try this one naman, itong Wolverine. So first time playing this kind of game na itong Wolverine na to, no? I don't know kung anong klaseng game ito. Skip! Aha! X-Meg Zember. Of course, continue. Yes.
I'm disappointed, Logan, but everything will be okay. We're going to erase your memories one by one and go back to the way things used to be.
The drugs have made him compliant, Colonel Stryker. Even a small suggestion should trigger the memory.
Fine, we'll start with the beginning of this mess. I need you to remember the op in Japan. This report concerns recent... Logan, move on those...
Buti may skip. Primary objective is assault. Reach the dojo and bring the hand down. Okay. Defeat 25 enemies. Complete the level without taking a hit. Napakahirap naman. That's too hard. Sabi nga nila, Urge. Without any damage or hit. Diba? How is the analog to stick to the you can press it. So light attack, so parang God of War, like playing God of War, yung ating square is for light attacks and then triangle is for heavy attacks. Pero ang dami nila guys. So jump, may nang madalas na setting, laging light attack yung square. Smash the gate to move. Ano? Ganyan na. Para siyang God of War na si Wolverine talaga yung video. So stick camera yung kanyang gameplay settings guys. Pasto tayo rito. Tapos konti pa, exit na natin. At least nakita natin itong overview. Hindi ko na itutuloy-tuloy. Siyempre, next owner na bala dyan. Press circle when you see it to pounce. You can pounce. You can pounce when you have zero, ferocity. Okay, so circle lang. Paris kayo, Wolverine yun eh. Sinaksak. Oh, ano yun? Sinaksak eh. O, tapos, ba may boss fight? Maganda to guys. Itong Wolverine na to, ganito pala to, parang gato pa eh. May boss fight oh. Pati setting din ng pag-ilag eh, parang God of War eh. Ayun o. So malapit na namatay yung boss nila. Objective failed, untouchable. Malamang ang dami nila eh. Ayun, so okay na siguro to. Okay na yan. So next game. So yun, ganun yung Wolverine guys. Kita nyo ang gameplay ng Wolverine. First time pa lang din nilaro yan. Killzone. Okay, try natin yan. Let's try Killzone. So baka ito na yung last game natin para sa video na to. Kasi 9 minutes na. Binabantayan ko kasi yung oras kasi mayroon mag-upload sa Facebook, sa YouTube nang malaki ang file size. So yun, giving so much awareness dun sa file size natin. This game saves data automatically, of course. Killzone Liberation, start. Parang ano ata ito. Ang camera ata na ito ay nasa taas. Kahit muna na yan. Sige na, mag-start na tayo. Skip, yan. Buti may skip eh. So 10 minutes na, so saktong na ito. This will be the last game for this video. Ayun, tama nga, nasa taas yung camera ko. Okay, close. Disable tutorial mode. Okay, start. Okay, syempre.
Templar, it's me, Luger. I'm heading up Mobile Command for this op. You'll take your instructions from me. I'll be passing you intel from our Shadow Marshals doing recon in the field. So listen up. Get to the shelled out house and rendezvous with Rico.
When you are near interactive objects or enemies, an action icon will appear. Press X to perform that particular action. Okay. Okay, sorry, let's close. Oh, nasan yung particular action? Ito. Oh, anong gagawin mo dito? Sometimes create certain collectible items which you can use to unlock new goodies. Start close. Oh, galing ha. So kinuha niya item, guys. Oh, ano may laser na ako. Saan akong daan ko? Saan daan ito? Pero baka dito, ito. Wala naman eh. Oh, dito ang daan. Ito pala, bastos. The color of the eyes indicates there are alert status. Yellow means they are not alert. Orange means they are suspect. They suspect a threat. Red means they have spotted a threat. Dami namang ka-eklab. Ano yan? Aim at the enemy's fire. You can crouch away, run. Whatever. Ano? Nakapala eh. Kulit eh. Yeah, so dito ko galing kanina, guys. So, umikot tayo. Okay din to. Para itong Diablo, no? Pero baril eh. Para ang Diablo yung ano niya. Yung pagkukuha ka ng gamit is itong X. Hindi namamaril sa malayo. As yun na yun. Pero tapin yun yung camera ko. So, di ko nang babasahin yan. Bahala lang kayo dyan. Weapons. Okay. So, pumuha siya nun. Parang ano to, inventory. So, lakad pa tayo ng konti. Baka may kalaban dito. Nakasarado. Pero may tungtungan nun ah. Laban jump. Ito may darang may nakita ko ng tungtungan na ano ron eh. Kahoy. Yun, may tungtungan na kahoy eh. Anyway. Kaya nga 13 minutes na agad. 13 minutes na agad, guys. So, Darkman. Paano mag-duck? Yun. Lubi ako lang tinatamaan nun ah. Ikaw, makulit ka. Tinutuko ka nila. So yan, ganito pala yung Killzone Liberation, guys. Hindi siya first person shooting game, no? Ang camera niya nasa taas para siyang Diablo ang style. Okay na, so ano na. So we're good na. Okay na tayo dito. We're done. Okay, I'll see you next gameplay ulit, guys, sa next video natin. So thank you so much. Bye for now.